Pajba baro ka office u deputy commissioner Ribhoi district lingba ka Meghalaya engineering recruitment board haga jingtri lang bat ka sarkar jala Meghalaya kala penbena pajba sha baro kinong snong jong ka Ribhoi district pakila bat simbanta ka jing tapkam kinong snong ke berani ka jing ang not ka kerdan jing pule ka babiang la khot ban apply na ka banta ki post ke bdang lait ki shnat pule engineering kumne harum lecture in electrical engineering Shillong Polytechnic, assistant professor in civil engineering Shillong Government College of Engineering, assistant professor in electrical engineering Shillong Government College of Engineering, kinong apply ki de bandon ni kerta hapring khat pras nam hadu life arts nam. Nakabanta kinong apply ki bde na kajai benrew SC but ST on panjalan ni kerta syasan senam. Kajindun kam ha kajing pule. Nakabanta ka post lecture in electrical engineering. Ki de banlong ki belapendap ya ka bachelor degree engineering technology BE, BTech, BS, naka school ba na university kabla itu da ka sarkar. Nakabanta ki post assistant professor civil and electrical engineering, debalong kabla pendap ika BE, BTech, BS, but ME, MTech, MS, naka school ba na university kabla itu da ka sarkar. Kinong apply ki hapan apply tangling ba ka online da ka balik sa website jo ka sarkar Meghalaya https://meghalaya.gov.in katarik ka bakhaddo ban pha ka online application kanlong hadu ka arp nyotrik naiwing arjarsan hadu ka por khatway san phunai bejajan met ya ka jingtip ka bakhambnia sa phangi kundon ki jingdon kam qualification bar rukom apply sungo bha ban lek sa website https://meghalaya.gov.in kublai shibun